made it to the Banana Daiquiri on top of the mountaintop here in St. Thomas.
And me,
And Aiden,
I'm the best.
He has made it to the mountaintop. So I'm going to try the world famous Banana Daiquiri. I don't know what they're going to do. Well, Aiden ain't going to try it. I don't know what Mama and Sean going to do, but I'm going to try that famous daiquiri. I think Sean is looking for some shirts in here. So we don't have much time in here. We only got like 30 minutes. And then we have to be back on. Oh, these are cute. Y'all see these? Aiden, did you think your sisters would like one of these? I need a beat. Y'all see a beat? I know. A's, L's, P's, A's. Man, they ain't got no B's, K's. Oh, that's rude. Yeah. Oh, I found one. It's right here. Wow, I didn't see it earlier. I'm getting one of these. They're cute. Here's an A.
Oh, by
Ain't
the
got no
way,
key.
I can put it on my backpack.
Very cool. Right.
$10.
You getting this? That's cute.
I'm looking for it.
I like that. Just me, you know. Mama, you like it, whatever kind you like, give me in a medium. So I made it to the Banana Daiquiri stand, so I'm going to get our daiquiri. Purple.
Huh?
The purple one?
Excuse me, sir. Some people when they say what, they just think it's offensive, so I just I say what and I say excuse me. So that's exactly. Take
So, Ma, you got in the wave pool, and she went under.
I almost drowned in the wave.
Almost drowned thanks to my child.
Don't blame me.
Yeah.
She was taking your side at first, but I was like, nah, that ain't. That's Bridget's fault. She should have had you all the way out to the side.
I did have her out to the side.
Once them waves start coming, you should have had her all the way by them steps.
Mama, hold on.
Yeah, I said hold on.
My nails.
So she went under, and she went under at the wave pool,
Way.
but she survived.
Yep.
And my grandchild, my other grandchild, Anaya.
Where'd she go? Oh,
She already ran back out there?
no, she over here laying down.
Let me sit here.
Mm-hmm.
You got a natural to you. You born with it.
So I look a hot mess. I'm gonna stay off the camera, but I'm gonna put everybody else on the camera. Say hi, babe. How you feel? It feels good though. You feel nice and cool.
The breeze.
See, there you go. Editing Bridget here. So I just wanted to explain to you guys this video. This was a class of them showing us how to make towel animals, and I thought this was cute. I wanted to throw it in there. This guy here, he was making a towel animal, and his ended up being a cute little dog. So again, it's just a little video. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on here. So he made a cute little dog with his towels. It is our last night on the Icon of Peace. We are heading to the Windjammer tonight for dinner. I didn't want to do my formal dinner, so. But we're going to go to the Windjammer, see what they have to eat. And then we're going to just enjoy this last day. Make sure I hit all the floors to see if there was anything that I missed. So we're gonna go to the Windjammer, we're gonna eat dinner, and then we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. Kind of sad that this is our last night. I'm not ready to get back to reality just yet. But knew it was coming. 7 days went by so quickly. But anywho, see you after dinner. So anywho, as you can see, everybody's still out here at the pool, chilling. It's hot. I've already showered. I'm not getting back in the water today. Whew, the sun is blazing. Hey, then why you holding your head? Move like that.
A cosmic ballet of creation, where new matter and wondrous elements are born and scattered through the vast. Inside